Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Muzammil Hussain. Today we are going to start our lecture number 5. Exercise 1.2, question number 3. If n equal to set of natural numbers, w equal to set of whole numbers, then find n union w and n intersection w. Solution. First we will write these sets in tabular form. So n equal to set of natural numbers, so natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to so on. W equal to set of whole numbers, so whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Now union of these two sets n union w, first we will write the element of n union, then write the element of w. So unite them and in their union is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Now n intersection w, similarly write the element of natural number intersection, then write the element of whole number. Now intersection is a set which contain common element of both the sets, so common elements are 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Now question number 5. If a equals to a c d f, b equals to b c f g, and c equals to c f g h, then find a union into b union c. Second part, a intersection b intersection c. Now first we will solve the first part, which is a union b union c. First write the element of set a union as it is, bracket, write the element of set b union as it is, then write the element of set c, then close the bracket. Now